Good morning, friends. In order to grant relief from the statutory filings amid the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, the Finance Ministry have extended various compliance due dates via various circulars and notifications. Such announcements come as a major relief in these tough times by giving the charitable organizations sufficient time to comply under the various provisions of law. Along with the announcements of extension of the statutory timelines, last week, various other announcements were also made under the Income Tax Act, which have been covered by this video. So let's verify them one by one. Income tax return and tax audit report. The due date for filing the tax audit report, that is Form 10B, for the assessment year 2021-22 relevant to financial year 2020-21 has been extended from 30th September 2021 to 31st October 2021. Accordingly, the due date for filing the income tax returns has also been extended from 31st October 2021 to 30th November 2021, whether it is Form ITR 5 or Form ITR 7. In our view, this implies the filing of various forms such as Form 9A and Form 10. The due date for these forms has also been extended to 30th November 2021. Coming to belated or revised returns, in Budget 2021, the due date for filing the revised or belated returns was further reduced by 3 months to keep it at 31st December of the relevant assessment year. Keeping in line with the extension of timelines granted to the original income tax return, the due date for filing such revised or belated returns has also been extended from 31st December 2021 to 31st January 2022. We would like to inform you here that the due date for filing the belated or revised returns for financial year 2019-20 has also been extended earlier up to 31st May 2020. So, the organizations who have missed out to file their returns for the financial year 2019-20 can file it now. Coming to Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, the charitable organizations opting the said scheme gets another extension to opt for the same. Earlier this year, the due date for payment of tax without additional amount under the scheme was extended up to 30th April 2021. However, while release of yet another circular by Central Board of Direct Taxes, such due date was further extended, which now stands at 30th June 2021. Moving to filing of TDS returns for quarter 4 of financial year 2020-21, the due date for filing such TDS returns for the last quarter of financial year 2020-21 have been extended from 31st May 2021 to 30th June 2021. However, no extension has been granted related to such payment of TDS for the months of April or May 2021. Coming to issue of TDS certificates, keeping in line with the extension granted to the TDS returns of quarter 4 of financial year 2020-21, the due date for issue of TDS certificates for the related period has been extended from 15th June 2020-21 to 15th July 2020-21. So, all in all, most of the due dates have been extended by a period of 1 month, keeping in mind the hardships being faced by the organizations during the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Another major announcement, which was recently made by the Directorate of Income Tax Systems on 19th May 2020-21 was launch of new e-filing portal under the Income Tax Act. I am repeating again, another major announcement was made by the Directorate of Income Tax Systems on 19th May, that is the launch of new e-filing income tax portal. The e-filing portal of the income tax shall be completely shifted from www.incometaxefilingindia.gov.in to www.incometax.gov.in, which will be launched on 7th June 2021. Accordingly, the existing portal shall not be available from 1st June to 6th June 2021. However, it seems that the ministry and CBDT have missed to provide extension to a very important ongoing compliance, that is the renewal of registrations under section 12A, 12AA, 80G and 1023C, the due date of which currently falls on 30th June 2021. And now, with the unavailability of the portal for a period of 6 days, it becomes all the more important to provide such extension to the renewal of registrations. However, we could only wait and watch till it comes in the eyes of the department and the announcement is made. Till then, keep subscribed and tune to our channel for such updates. Thank you.